This is my desk setup, and in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step from a completely empty space to how it looks right now. Every decision, every upgrade, what was worth it, and what I would do differently. If you're new here, my name is Omar. I share content around tech, desk setups, and productivity. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you subscribe. The first thing I worked on for this setup was the wall. For this space I went with the wood veneer wall panels. They are not cheap, but I'm going to be honest, they are 100% worth it. I didn't want the standard finish, so I added stain myself to get it more of a walnut tone. That alone changed the entire vibe of the room. To take it a step further, I added a Govee neon light on the panels. That glow against the wall adds depth and instantly makes the setup feel intentional, especially at night. Next, the main piece of the entire setup, the desk. This is the Desky set standing desk. I would say right away, the quality surprised me. Assembling was straightforward. It took me around 30 minutes to assemble it. Everything was clearly labeled, the instruction was easy to follow, and all the screws holes were pre-drilled already. One thing that I really appreciate is the built-in cable management tray underneath. That makes a massive difference when you're trying to keep everything clean. I also went with the casters. I highly recommend that option. Being able to move the desk around easily without lifting anything gives you so much flexibility, especially if you tweak your layouts a lot. One feature I didn't expect to love is how I control the desk. It connects over Bluetooth and I set up Siri shortcuts for it. So I can literally say, "Hey Siri, raise my desk." "Hey Siri, lower my desk." How cool is that? If you're building a new desk setup, a desk shelf is a must. I went with the Desky desk shelf to keep everything matching, and I really like its solid wood. It feels sturdy, premium, and it helps keep the desk surface clean without feeling cluttered. For the monitor, I'm using a 34-inch curved ultra-wide monitor. I know there is a lot of debate around curved monitors, but personally I love them. I do a lot of multitasking, and having that curve makes it easier to stay focused around multiple windows. One upgrade I would never skip is a monitor arm. Being able to adjust the height, distance makes the setup feel lighter and more flexible. On top of the monitor, I added the Qantas light bar. This isn't about making the setup brighter, it's about making it easier on your eyes. It adds soft, even light across the desk setup without glare on the screen. Especially at night, if you work long hours, this is one of those upgrades you don't notice until it's gone. It keeps the setup comfortable without distracting you. Powering everything is my 14-inch MacBook Pro. It's connected to a docking station I picked up from Amazon. And this is one of those things that I can't live without anymore. All the cables stay hidden behind the desk shelf, and I only need one cable going into the laptop to power everything. I think that was also another good reason to have a desk shelf in your setup. Less clutter and more focus. When it comes to the keyboard, Keyshawn is still my go-to. For this setup, I'm using the Keyshawn K10, which is a full-size keyboard. I'm still getting used to it because I've always been a fan of the 75% layout keyboards, but I really enjoy how satisfying it feels to type on. When I need something quieter for work, I switch to the Logitech MX keys. It's low profile, super quiet, and pairs perfectly with my Logitech MX Master Mouse. This combo is perfect for long work sessions. Okay, lighting. Lighting plays a bigger role in this setup than people realize. Behind the monitor, I have a soft monitor backlight, which helps reduce eye strain at night. Behind the desk, there is a backlight to add depth and separate the desk from the wall. I also added the LED stripe underneath the desk. It makes the whole setup feel grounded and finished, especially when everything else is done. Nothing here is harsh or overly bright. It's all about creating a calm space you can stay in for hours. For the chair, I didn't go all out. By this point, I was already over budget, so I picked up an ergonomic chair from Amazon, and honestly, I was shocked by the quality. For around $150, getting a chair this comfortable is a steal. It supports me well, and for now, it does exactly what I needed to do. And that's the full setup. This desk wasn't built overnight. It came together piece by piece with a lot of trial and error along the way. If you are building your own setup, focus on how the space makes you feel when you sit down. That matters more than any single piece of gear. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what part of the setup you want me to break it down next. I'll see you guys in the next one.